Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Harshi. It's been quite a long time since we met last. I was a little busy with certain circumstances. However, I'm back with another new lesson. So in today's lesson, we're going to learn how you can use past perfect tense. Well, if you watched my previous videos, you simply learned how you can use simple past tense, present perfect tense, and of course, present perfect continuous tense, and the differences between these tenses. Well, in today's lesson, let's see how or when and where you can use past perfect tense. So, as usual, let's take the structure first. අපි බලමු මේ past perfect tense එකේදී කොහොමද verb එක යෙදෙන්නේ, how the verb is constructed. The most important thing, let's take the verb structure had plus past participle form. So in past perfect tense, we take the helping verb had, and after that, past participle form of a verb. So what is the past participle form? You already know this. We talked about the past participle form when we learned present perfect tense. Well, let's take the verb go and past tense went, and we have the past participle form gone. Eat, ate, eaten is the past participle. Give, gave, given is the past participle, and let's take an ed form. Receive, received, received, the same is a past participle form. So in past perfect tense, we simply take it like had gone, had received, had completed, had given, had emptied, had eaten, had lived. So it's like that. And the most interesting thing is that be it a singular noun or a plural noun, you simply take had, the helping verb had, with any subject. ගොඩම පහසු දේ තමයි අපේ මේ past perfect tense එකේදී ඒක වචන හරි බහුවචන හරි ඕනෑම උක්තයක් subject එකක් සමග අපි යොදාගන්නේ had කියන helping verb එක. And after that, past participle form. ඊට පස්සේ past participle verb එක. Had gone, had left, had escaped, had given, had received, had completed. So it's like that. Well, let's take some examples and see in which situations where we can use past perfect tense. මොන වගේ අවස්ථාවලදීද අපිට මේ past perfect tense එක යොදා ගන්න සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ. So, example number 1. The bus had left when I went to the bus stop, right? Let's learn through this example. The bus had left when I went to the bus stop. And here in this sentence, you'll see two past actions. Past actions, අතීත සිදුවීම් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. And one occurred before the other. එක අතීත සිදුවීමක් අනෙකට කලින් සිද්ධ වෙලා තියෙනවා. එහෙනම් මේ කලින් සිද්ධ වුණ දේ ගැන කතා කරන්න you can use past perfect tense, right? So there are two past actions. One occurred before the other. So you simply use past perfect tense to talk about the action which occurred earlier, right? I went to the bus stop at 7:30. Bus stop එකට ගියේ 7:30. හැබැයි බස් එක පිටත් වෙලා තිබුණේ 7:25. එහෙනම් ඒ දේ ගැන අපි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්. The bus had left. The bus had left when I went to the bus stop. When I went to the bus stop, the bus had left. බස් එක පිටත් වෙලා තිබුණේ මම එතෙන්ට යද්දී. Right? So let's take another example. I couldn't join my friends. My friends went shopping, but I couldn't join them. Why? I had left my wallet at home. මට ෆ්‍රෙන්ඩ්ස්ලත් එක්ක join වෙන්න බැරි වුණා shopping කරන්න. Why? Because I had left my wallet at home. Right? මම ගෙදර දාලා ගිහිල්ලා තිබුණේ. මට බැරි වුණා ෆ්‍රෙන්ඩ්ස්ලත් එක්ක join වෙන්න in the past. And why was the reason? Before that, I had left my wallet at home, right? So you simply say, I couldn't join my friends because I had left my wallet at home, right? Shall we take another example? Say that her father died in September, but before he died, he had left a good legacy for her, right? So you can say, her father had left her a good legacy before he died. Her father had left her a good legacy before he died, right? ඇගේ තාත්තා මිය යාමට කලින් එයාට හොඳ legacy එකක් ඉතිරි කරලා ගිහිල්ලා තිබුණේ. Her father had left her a good legacy before he died. So let's take one last example. Say that ඔයාගේ තාත්තා අහනවා මොකක් හරි වැඩක් කරාද කියලා. හැබැයි ඒ වෙද්දිත් ඔයා එක කරලයි තිබුණේ. ඒ task එක complete කරලයි තිබුණේ. So you can simply say, I had already completed that task before you asked. මම අහන්න කලින් මම ඒක කරලයි තිබුණේ. I had already completed that task before you asked, right? මම ඒක කරලයි තිබුණේ ඔයා අහන්න කලින්. So this is how you can use past perfect tense practically, right? So I hope this small lesson is clear to you, and stay in touch. See you again in another interesting video like this. Until then, stay safe.